Hey everyone, ready to dive deep? Today, it's all about AI, but not just any AI.
Oh no, we're talking AI in finance. Buckle up.
That's right. We've got this super interesting excerpt about how AI is totally changing the game in finance. Are robots going to be running Wall Street?
Well, not exactly like in the movies,
Yeah.
but it's definitely shaking things up. Think about it. AI is already touching everything.
Yeah, from how we manage our own money to how these big institutions make huge investment
It's
decisions.
mind-blowing, really.
Right.
Yeah.
So our source is basically saying that AI is this financial powerhouse, making things faster, smarter, more efficient. So how does it actually do that?
Well, AI can analyze tons of data, like
Yeah.
mountains of it, and then it finds these hidden insights.
Okay, but humans can analyze data too, right?
Yeah, but think of it this way. We can only process so much information at once. AI, it
Yeah.
can just go through it all, like no problem. It sees patterns and trends that would take us, I don't know, years to figure out.
So it's like having a superpowered analyst working 24/7.
Exactly, and that's why it can help with making better investments, managing risk, even creating products that are, like, perfectly matched to what people need.
Speaking of mind-blowing, this source actually lists 15 ways AI is already changing finance. And some of these, honestly, straight out of sci-fi,
Oh, yeah.
like fraud detection.
Oh, that one's huge. So instead of just relying on those old rule-based systems, AI can actually learn.
Sure.
Yeah, from
Yeah.
past data. It can pick up these super subtle patterns that might point to fraud, which means, catching those fraudsters in real time.
Oh.
And that can potentially save, I mean, think about it, businesses, individuals, billions of dollars, right? What's really interesting is that the same tech can be used to assess credit risk, making those lending decisions way more accurate.
So it's all about spotting those red flags before things go wrong.
Exactly. Prevention is key.
Okay, another one that's kind of scary is algorithmic trading. Like, the source talks about AI making trades crazy fast, faster than any human, I bet, based on market trends and all that. Is that something everyday investors like me should even worry about?
It's more relevant than you might think. Because, sure, that high frequency trading is mostly used by those big institutions, but the tech, it's trickling down, to regular investors through these platforms that offer automated portfolio management.
You're telling me I could just, set my investment goals and let an AI handle the rest?
Basically, it would adjust your portfolio based on what's happening in the market, trying to minimize risk, maximize returns, all while you sleep.
So it's like having a personal financial advisor working around the clock, but like a robot one.
Uh-huh, kind of.
That sounds pretty amazing, honestly. Okay, another thing the source mentions is personalized banking. I mean, I get targeted ads all the time. Is that what they mean? Or does it go deeper than that?
Way deeper. Imagine your whole banking experience tailored to you. Like, AI can look at your spending habits, find places where you could save money, and even recommend products that actually align with what you want to achieve financially.
Wow. So instead of just getting generic advice, you're getting something specifically for you.
Right. It's like proactive advice, helping you reach your goals instead of just reacting to problems after they've already happened.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Okay, last one I want to hit on is robo-advisors. I hear that term everywhere, but I'm not sure I totally get it. Like, is it really a robot giving me advice?
Haha. Not a physical robot, no. It's more like these algorithms are built to build and manage your investment portfolio.
Okay, so what do I do? Just answer some questions and then boom, it's all taken care of.
Pretty much. You tell it about your finances, your risk tolerance, all that, and then the robo-advisor takes it from there. Invest your money in a diversified portfolio, all designed to fit your needs.
So this could be good for someone who doesn't have a ton of time or expertise to manage their own investments.
Definitely. It makes investing way more accessible.
Okay, I'm definitely going to have to look into that. So beyond all this stuff, what are some other ways AI is being used in finance that might surprise people?
It's interesting. Regulatory compliance, it's not flashy, but AI can automate a ton of those tedious tasks that come with regulatory reporting. Frees up humans to focus on, the more complex stuff.
So less paperwork, more brain power.
Exactly. Plus, AI can analyze all that data to find potential compliance violations, which can help companies avoid those hefty fines.
Makes sense. So AI is basically keeping the financial system honest.
In a way.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, what about other areas like loan underwriting, insurance, even market analysis? Is AI disrupting those too?
Absolutely. Like with loan underwriting, AI can assess creditworthiness way faster and more accurately. It can also help personalize insurance premiums based on individual risk factors, which can make things more fair. And in market analysis, AI can spot those emerging trends, opportunities that humans might completely miss.
Wow. It really seems like there's no part of finance that AI isn't touching. So, where do you see all of this heading in the future? What's next?
Well, the progress in machine learning and data analytics is just incredible right now. So I think we're going to see even more advanced AI applications in the coming years. Just imagine AI systems that could actually predict market crashes or catch fraudulent schemes before they even happen. Maybe even personalize financial advice based on your DNA.
Okay, now that's getting a little wild.
I know, right? It's exciting, but also, yeah, a little daunting.
It sounds like people working in finance are going to have to adapt pretty quickly to keep up.
Oh, absolutely. This field is already going through a huge transformation. Those who can embrace AI, learn the skills, they're the ones who will thrive.
Makes you wonder if AI can do all this, analyze markets, manage investments, give advice, what does that mean for the future of human jobs in finance?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? While AI will definitely automate certain tasks, it will also create new opportunities. And those will require different skills. I think the key is to be adaptable, keep learning, and figure out how to work alongside these powerful technologies.
A lot to think about for sure. This has been an incredibly fascinating deep dive. I mean, who knew AI was doing so much already in finance? It makes you wonder what else is out there, just waiting to be discovered.
The possibilities are endless, right?
Absolutely. So to everyone listening, I encourage you to keep exploring this intersection of AI and finance. You never know what the future holds, especially in a world that's constantly changing. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.